All right, friends, welcome back. Aaron Michael Eschenberg here, bringing you your horoscope for Monday, the 15th of April, 2019. It's a beautiful day. The moon's going to move into Virgo. Let's take a look at the chart real quick and get into it. So we're starting off the day just a few hours ago with this grand trine. Let me show you. I'll go back a little bit. Boop, 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 boop. All right, so right there, we still have this trine happening all the way until what, 8 a.m. All right, so when we're waking up in the morning, we should be waking up still feeling really excited for life, really excited, feeling ourselves. All right, feeling very alive, feeling very ourselves. And as we can see, the moon has now moved into Virgo, 1 degree Virgo. All right, and throughout the day, again, the moon moves about 2 degrees or 1 degree every 2 hours. So I like to look at this around noon just to see where we're at in the middle of the day. So as you can see, we're going to create a trine here to Uranus and the moon. Okay, this is going to happen mid-morning. So this trine here, now the moon you can see is also going to create this semi-square over here to Saturn and to Pluto. Okay, Jupiter is squaring all three of these over here in Pisces, Neptune, Mercury, and Venus. Venus is a perfect square, or perfect sextile, over to Pluto. Okay, mega transformations. Now, let's just talk about this for a second. What is this? Virgo is like judgment. All right, the moon moving into Virgo. Virgo is judgment. Virgo says yes or no. The virgin. Virgin doesn't mean to not had sex with. Virgin means unowned. Unowned. You're a virgin. You're not owned by somebody, okay? That's the origin of what the word means, is unowned. So it is free to determine to say yes or no to something. Will you marry me? No. Okay. Nothing I can do about that. Will you marry me? Yes. All right. Well, that's a different story altogether. Okay, so Virgo is judgment of this yes or no, of a very right and wrong. It is the yin to the yang of Gemini, okay? Both of these are the ruling signs of Mercury. Gemini, we have all of the information, all the contrast, all the good and bad, whatever. It's just all of the information. Over here in Virgo, it says no. No, that's not right. This is wrong. That, yes, you have some of this information on point, but no, this is not proper. You've got it mixed up somewhere. This is how it really is, okay? Or this is how it really should be. And also with Virgo, we're talking about bearing fruit, right? This is things coming into fruition. So we've had this like, yes, I feel alive over the weekend. I'm feeling more myself. It was a really amazing Saturday and Sunday. Now I'm starting this week off right, and I know who I am. I know my boundaries, my limits. Okay, this is all of this Jupiter squaring everything in Pisces. This is knowing our own limits, knowing our own boundaries, and what is too far. When we Tai Chi is like, you take every movement within balance. You don't want to reach so far that you become off balance of something. You want to reach but stay grounded and stay centered. So in this, we're staying grounded, we're staying centered, we're staying focused, and so we're not reaching beyond our limits, right? So we know our limits. So we have this breakthrough. Uranus is the breakthrough, the Great Awakener, okay? So we have a trine to the moon in Virgo. So this day and this kind of energy, it can be a very big no. It could be a no coming through in a very big way. This is the kind of, this is like not only fruition, like things are coming into us as we're feeling more alive ourselves, so we're going to start receiving the rewards. But again, we have a clear, determined definition of self and what we're allowing and not allowing into our lives, into our everyday. So this can be a day where a boss or somebody is coming in at us, and this is somebody maybe we really respect, someone we appreciate, where we want to say yes to them. But we know in our core, the answer is absolutely no. I'm not willing to do that. I'm not going to do this. I'm not going to alter the path that I've been on to make these decisions, So maybe that's going back and forth with any addiction things that have been going on. Like, come on, it'll be cool. You're like, nope, I'm good. I'm good. I found my strength. I found me. I don't want that. I don't need that. Or this can be a day you just get up and walk away from your job. I hope that's not the case. But this is a mega breakthrough. Mega, you know, this is an unpredictable kind of a breakthrough in a way. Anytime we're dealing with Uranus aspects, these are big wahs. So on this Monday, I hope you have a big aha moment in a very positive way where you're not just getting up and walking from your job like, nope, I'm not doing that anymore. I'm going to see you in court. Hopefully that's not how we're starting this week. But we're starting it strong with a good sense of self, a good sense of understanding of what I'm going to say yes to, what I'm going to say no to, and seeing and reaping the rewards and all the benefits from that hard work that we put in. So happy Monday, everybody. We'll talk to you soon.